Two giants in the project management arena, Wrike and Bitrix24. Which one truly helps teams thrive? On the left, we've got Wrike, known for its powerful workflow customization, and on the right, Bitrix24 with its all-in-one collaboration tools. Today, we're putting both platforms through practical tests, looking at task management, integrations, pricing, collaboration, and more. Forget the marketing jargon, let's focus on how they actually perform. We'll award points in each category, so by the end, you'll see a clear winner. And trust me, the final verdict may surprise you. Let's get in, you'll see a clear winner. And trust me, the final verdict may surprise you. Let's quit this 24. Alright, first things first. Let's see what we'll be sizing these two up on. We're talking price, features, ease of use, collaboration, security and compliance, reporting and analytics, plus integrations and ecosystem. So pretty much, if it's important for a software team, we're covering it. Ready? Here we go. Let's kick things off with price. Okay, Wrike, the plans are super transparent, especially if you're running a business, and there's a decent free tier, but man, those premium features get pricey fast. And that per user pricing can add up in bigger teams if you're not careful. Now, Bitrix24, here's the jaw dropper. Their free plan is for unlimited users, so like your whole company could get in. The costs stay lower overall, but heads up, certain modules or add-ons may push you to upgrade. Still, for smaller teams or startups, Bitrix24 is kind of a no-brainer here. Moving on to features, Wrike is a project management beast. You've got all the advanced stuff, Gantt charts, and automatic workflows for days. The catch? No built-in CRM. And if you want telephony or HR, you'll have to look elsewhere. Now, Bitrix24, oh man. This thing's got almost everything. CRM, calls, website builder, automations, even HR. Time tracking, live chat, the works. Some people actually find it overwhelming though, since the platform tries to do so much. And if you're really into detailed project management, you might notice a few limitations. But overall, on pure features, Bitrix24 pulls ahead. Ease of use? Okay, hear me out. Wrike's got this startup slick vibe. Super modern, really intuitive. Most people can just jump in and get to work. Unless you're tackling really advanced stuff, then maybe you'll want a little training. Bitrix24, on the other hand, the main parts are pretty straightforward. But the second you start poking at all the extras, yikes, the interface can get confusing. There's a learning curve, especially since it's trying to be 10 apps at once. So yeah, Wrike takes the crown here for just being, well, pleasant to use. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Bitrix24? It actually started as a self-hosted solution all the way back. Now it's evolved into a pretty serious cloud platform. Kind of wild how far it's come, right? Collaboration time. Wrike is solid, real-time editing, killer dream mentions, threaded comments, super intuitive. Only thing, no built-in chat, so you'll need integrations for that. Meanwhile, Bitrix24, oh, it's got chat, video calls, document sharing, the whole 9 yards built right in. Some of their modules have deeper tools than others though. Like sometimes teamwork in one module feels slick, but in another, it's just, okay. But honestly, both are strong enough here. Let's call it even. Alright, security and compliance. Wrike is buttoned up tight. We're talking enterprise level stuff. SOC2, GDPR, granular permissions if you're in a big organization or you just love your checklists. This is super reassuring. Bitrix24 isn't bad, especially for small business compliance, but they just don't have the same depth. Permissions are looser, audit trails aren't quite as thorough. So Wrike definitely leads when it comes to security. Now, reporting and analytics. Wrike, again, dashboard central. You can get some seriously deep insights into what your projects are up to. Tons of customization though, honestly. Creating custom reports can get a little complicated for newcomers. Bitrix24 gives you straightforward business and CRM reports, plus some built-in analytics, but if you want to tweak things endlessly, Wrike is just better. Integrations and ecosystem. Wrike offers a huge list of integrations, from Microsoft to Google, Slack, Salesforce, you name it. You can even connect custom stuff with their API, but yeah, some options are locked behind paid plans. Bitrix24 mainly focuses on playing nice with its own apps, though they do offer some third-party integrations and an add-on marketplace. If you're married to external tools, Wrike's the way to go. So yeah, Wrike wins here. Let's pause for a sec and look at how everything stacks up side by side. Some strong wins for Wrike, especially in ease of use, security, reporting, and integrations. But Bitrix24 holds its own, especially in price and the sheer range of features it jams into one platform. Here's how I see it. If you're managing big, complex projects, maybe your team's already mid-size or larger, Wrike's gonna feel like a natural fit, seriously. But if you're running a startup, small business, or just want tons of tools for a sweet price, Bitrix24 is surprisingly powerful for what you pay. Different vibes, but each totally has its place. Hey, if this helped you out, maybe give us a follow or hit the subscribe. We're always digging into SaaS showdowns like this, so let us know what you want to see next.